How do I disable a test using pytest? Let's say I have a bunch of tests. Is there a decorator or something similar that I could add to the functions to prevent pytest from running just that test? The result might look something like
pytest has the skip and skipif decorators, similar to the Python pytest module, which uses skip and skipif, which can be found in the documentation here. Examples from the link can be found here. The first example always skips the test. The second example allows you to conditionally skip tests. Great when tests depend on the platform, executable version, or optional libraries. For example, if I want to check if someone has the library pandas installed for a test,
the skip decorator would do the job. Reason argument is optional, but it is always a good idea to specify why a test is skipped. There is also skipif that allows to disable a test if some specific condition is met. These decorators can be applied to methods, functions or classes. To skip all tests in a module, define a global pytest mark variable.
You can mark a test with the skip and skipif decorators when you want to skip a test in pytest. Skipping a test. The simplest way to skip a test is to mark it with the skip decorator, which may be passed an optional reason. It is also possible to skip imperatively during test execution or sets up by calling the pytest.skipReason function. This is useful when it is not possible to evaluate the skip condition during import time. Skipping a test based on a condition. If you want to skip based on a conditional, then you can use skipif instead. In the previous example, the test function is skipped when run on an interpreter earlier than Python 3.6. Finally, if you want to skip a test because you are sure it is failing, you might also consider using the fail marker to indicate that you expect a test to fail.
If you want to skip the test but not hard-code a marker, better use keyword expression to escape it. Note, here keyword expression is basically expressing something using keywords provided by pytest or Python, and getting something done. I above example, not as a keyword. For more info, refer this link. More examples of keyword expression, refer this answer.
If you want this, you will be. Please ask some serious subscription.